very smart, very lazy, very handsome, very tasty, very, very, very. It is the most common words that we use in English. So, in today's lesson, let's replace this very with our advanced English. Hello, my name is Kirti Goyal and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Learn Talk. Let's you speak better. So let's begin. Very shy. Instead, say timid. I was too shy to ask for what I wanted. Use the sentence, I was too timid to ask for what I wanted. Second word, very thirsty. Instead of saying I'm feeling very thirsty, use the word parched. Here, ed remains silent. So, if we make a sentence, we can say that I am parched. I'll die without a drink. Moving on to the next word, very small. Instead, use the word petite. His wife was a very small woman with the waves of dark hair. Instead, say his wife was a petite woman with the waves of dark hair. Moving on to the next word, very often, frequently. Tom very often wears a hat. Tom frequently wears a hat. Moving on to the next word, very confused. Use the word perplexed. He was very confused between the two girls. Instead, say he was perplexed between the two girls. Do make your own sentences, try making them and mention them in the comments below. I would love to read them. On to the next word, very weak. Use the word frail. According to his age, he is very weak. According to his age, he is frail. Very roomy, spacious. I like the spacious cars. Isn't it a better word to use? Moving on to the next word, very lazy, indolent. He is one of the indolent employee in the organization. On to the next word, but before, do subscribe and hit the bell icon and share it with your friends. Okay, so our next word is very sure, certain. I'm certain about the results of this test. And our last word is very smooth. Say sleek. She's wearing a sleek, tiny black dress. Great, right? Do try them. Thank you for watching this video. Do press the like button and share it with your friends. Thank you.